Hello viewers across the globe, welcome to InfoDem. In this short video, I'll be showing you how to participate in the latest airdrop. Right now, the Uxuy wallet airdrop, that is Uxuy wallet airdrop, and I want to encourage you not to play with this airdrop because it's going to be loud. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the description box of this video and click the link there, the referral link there. Then it will take you to Telegram where you can continue the remaining process. So right now let us go straight on into how you can participate in this airdrop. The first thing you want to do, if you have clicked the link and it takes you to this place, the next thing you do is to click start. Immediately you click start, you will notice you see end up, you see join community, you see invite a friend, you see open a wallet. So the next thing you need to do from here, you create a wallet. As you can see, by launching this mini app, you agree to terms and conditions of mini app. You click start. Please follow this step one after the other. And if you are new to InfoDem, I will encourage you to subscribe to InfoDem immediately, because this is where you'll be getting all the latest information about upcoming cryptocurrency projects in a simplified manner. So go ahead, subscribe to InfoDem, like this video, share this video so that other people can also benefit from the video. So from here, the next thing you do is to click create wallet. After that, Uxuy wallet has created successfully. The next thing you do from here is to click let's go. So as you can see, the next thing you do from here, after the creation of Uxuy wallet, the next thing you can see claim 100 points here. Click here to claim your first 100 points. So the next thing you do is to click claim. You claim your point here. If you have done that, the next thing you do is to click continue. Please follow it step by step. That's it. I've successfully claimed my first 100 points. Here you are. So in the next 3 hours, you come here and claim your point. Every 3 hours, you come here and claim your 100 points. The next thing you want to do from here now, you come to N down here. You click N. As you can see, there are so many tags here that you need to do in order for you to get more points. So many of them. So you can do as many as you wish. So let me start from here. My first task here is to download Uxuy meme coin for trading, the app, and that one will give me 100. So this is how you follow the step one after the other. Go ahead and complete the tasks one after the other so that you can get your enough points. So you can see immediately I'm already claiming my point. Once you finish the tasks, you come back here and click claim. So that is how you go one after the other and complete the tasks here. As you are completing the tasks, points are being adding up. Points are being added up to your point balance. So if you have finished that, the next thing you need to do is to invite friends. As you're inviting friends too, your points are being added up. How do you invite friends? You come down here, you see where you come down here, you see invite, you click invite. As you can see, from here you'll be able to generate your invitation code. You're able to generate your invitation code. As you can see here, you copy it from here. This is where you copy it. To encourage you to subscribe to InfoDem, like this video, share this video so that other people can benefit. Because here, this is where you get all the latest information about upcoming cryptocurrency project. So till I see you in my next video, I want to say be good.